Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the Rabbit Air A3 air purifier. I will go over specs, features, and then show it in use. I have included the link in the description box below for the product. So let's take a look. Inside you get the air purifier along with the filters. You get the user manual and quick start guide and a wall mount kit. Going over some specs, this comes in two colors, black and white. You also get the option to purchase different types of designs for the front panel, as you can see here. This weighs in at 20.3 pounds and the dimensions are 19.7 in height, 18.8 inches in width, and 8.4 inches in depth. The coverage area is 1,070 square feet. Power consumption of 5 to 60 watts and a noise level of 20 to 50 decibels. The airflow is 64 to 286 CFM. It has touch controls, Wi-Fi app integration, and the filter life up to 12 months. This can handle dust mites, mold, pet dander, pollen, VOCs, bacteria, pet odors, tobacco smoke, just to name a few. It has a 6-stage filtration. Number 1 is the pre-filter, which will trap large particles like dust and allergens. Number 2, this traps airborne particles larger than 1 micron, such as pollen and pet dander. Number 3, dual hive activated carbon filter, which captures chemicals and household odors. Number 4 is the BioGS HEPA filter, which has electrostatic charge fiber material and traps particle as small as 0.1 microns. Number 5 is a customizable filter. You can select from germ defense, toxin, pet, or odor remover. Finally, number 6 is the negative ions, which helps by latching onto the particles and weighing them down. This feature can also be disabled. Taking a look at the A3, you have the removable front panel to access the filters. You also have the air inlet in the middle and the sides. Above that, you have the adjustable mood light. On the top, you have a large air outlet and the panel for the touch controls. On the side, you have the air quality sensor. In the back, you have the wall mount points along with the AC power cable port. To access the filter, you just have to remove the front panel like so, and this uses magnets on the corners. The inside part of the panel has the diagrams and instructions on how to maintain and install the filters. The filters are housed in the tray and you can remove it. Once the entire tray is removed, you can remove the layers one by one, and you can see each one as I detailed in the specs earlier. Looking at the top, you have the touch controls. Starting from left to right, you'll have a filter indicator, your Wi-Fi, air quality, power button, fan speed, auto mode, negative ions, and light control. All these functions can be controlled within the app. Once connected, you have the general view, which gives you the current status. Clicking on the air purifier, it will expand the options, and you can drill down into the air quality, adjust the fan speeds, modes, and lights. Select custom timer and create a schedule. You can also see the filter life. And this is how the mood light looks. You can select from rainbow, purple, cyan, and yellow. Just a quick measurement of the overall noise level. I have the decibel meter here and I'll cycle through level 1 all the way to level 5. And here you can see the airflow strength at level 5. After a few weeks of use, it's definitely doing its job. You can see the pre-filter with all the debris that it has collected. So here are my thoughts on the A3. I had a chance to review the previous models and they all performed well over the years. The A3 is no exception and it's solid in my opinion. One thing that really stood out is how quiet it is compared to the A2. The lowest setting, you can barely hear it, and as you adjust the levels, it is tolerable, and it doesn't get loud until you hit the higher settings. The mood light is very nice to have, and having the ability to change the colors is a plus. It adds some nice accent to it and can even be used as a nightlight. The 6-state filtration is excellent, and I did notice a difference after testing it for a few weeks. If you're in the market for an air purifier, this is definitely one to put on your list. So that is my review of the Rabbit Air 3 air purifier. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.